nandito na silang lahat. They're all here. Alright, feeding time, feeding time. Eat, eat, little one. Oh dear. Come on. Hello guys, it's me again, your Ate Iza. Welcome back to my channel and to this vlog. I am here in this place to feed the little birds. Do you see them? There. Okay. There. So little by little they ran away because they're already full. And well, every day so many people come here to feed these little birds. Pigeons, right? Kung sa Pilipinas kalapati siya. Ayun, ang dami nila doon sa taas, oh. There. There. Ang dami nila. You see? Ayan. Nagliliparan sila pag may dumaan na tao. Just now, may dumaan kasi ayun. Kaya lumipad sila. Alright guys, so we are all living things. They are living creatures. We are humans. We are living creatures. We have to take care of one another. So like I said, when I do my walking, I used to drop by here and feed those little birds behind me. Because, you know, it is our duty to take care of one another, so that we will be able to survive in this cruel world where there are so much killings out there. We have to do our own little part, you know, to help the living creatures live. Alright guys, so if you like this video, give me your thumbs up and comment down below if you have a say on what I've shared today. And if you're not in my channel, please consider subscribing. Yeah, subscribe now. Now na, okay? And do not forget to click the notification icon so that you'll be notified on my future uploads, okay? Thank you so much. Have a nice day.